five. Steps roam, Jah make this whole wide earth our home. Every river find the sea, teaching us our destiny. Many roads and many names, still one love burn through the flames. Lift your eyes beyond the pain. After drought there comes the rain. Hope no die, it only waits for loving hearts to open gates. Child inherit hate. Let us change tomorrow's fate. Teach them peace before them fight. Guide them always toward the light. Every hand can build or break. Every choice a path we make. Leave behind a trail of grace, so love can shine in every place. When history remembers we made right humanity, chose compassion over fear, and held each other near. Congregation, how many people, voices, one people, how many hearts, voices, one earth, how many earth, voices, one earth, how many love, voices, one love. Who shall walk together? All of we. One blood, one earth, one family from our birth. One love, one heart. Together we'll never part. From the valleys to the sea, Jah created you and me. One blood, one earth. Forever we'll stand free. Here I know the color of your skin cannot measure your heart. The language that you speak cannot measure your soul. The place where you were born cannot measure your worth. Remember, before the world gave us labels, Jah gave us life. Before mankind departed, creation gave us one home. Walk with Thank you for walking this journey with us until we leave Earth. Walk in love, stand in truth, keep the faith, and let your light shine. One love.